What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video I'm going to learn how to create this font text effect on Canva, or this one right here, into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, go to your design, make it into the size that you need, set the background into the color that you need, and type your text. I recommend that you type your text using the title, and type your title using the font Anton. But you can choose any font that you like, but I recommend that you use some font that it's bigger, okay, just like this. After, adjust the image to the center of the picture, just like this, and go to the left sidebar of menus on your elements, okay? Once on elements, go to shapes. On shapes, go to flowchart shapes and choose this last one right here. Align it, make it bigger to occupy the entire text, and align it just like this, okay? After, change the color of this shape to the same as background color. Now, click on your text, click with the right button of your mouse and duplicate the text. You can use Ctrl D as well. Align both texts to look equal and go to Effects. Once on Effects, select Hollow, this one right here. And you can change the thickness to make it bigger or smaller, just like this. I think this is the perfect option, okay? Now imagine that you would like that this shape go like this, maybe, or you can rotate the shape and go like this. All up to you and to your needs, okay? Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!